Assalamu alaikum. Here is Hina with English news. First headlines. PM Imran Khan summons Punjab CM to Islamabad. Prime Minister Imran Khan has summoned Punjab Chief Minister Usman Buzdar to Islamabad. Pakistan Embassy in Saudi Arabia announces online services for expatriates. In a bid to provide relief during the pandemic, Pakistan Embassy in Saudi Arabia has announced to provide online service to overseas Pakistani in the kingdom. 60,000 overseas pilgrims, including Pakistanis, to perform Hajj this year. The Saudi authority allowed pilgrims from overseas to perform Hajj this year under strict health and precautionary measures amid COVID-19 pandemic. Nisar announced to take oath as Punjab MPA tomorrow. Ex-Interior Minister Chaudhry Nisar announced to take oath as Punjab MPA on Monday during the session of the Provincial Assembly. Federal government announced to raise salaries of government employees in budget 2021-22. Special Assistant to Prime Minister on Political Communication Dr. Shehbaz Gill announced that the government is going to raise salaries in the upcoming budget 2021-22. This is the end of today's English news. Stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Take care and goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.